What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. Today we're just installing a Cobb SF intake with the airbox on the wifey's STI. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, we got the...
Is that the map wire?
Yeah, we got the MAF off, and now we got that off. We're gonna take the stock airbox. We need a 10 mil. Alright guys, we got the stock airbox out. We got the horn, the little air horn that feeds more air, more engine noise. We got that out, but we're gonna take this tube out and then plug that. But yeah, let's install the new Cobb SF intake.
We got this piece off, this weird piece that they did on, what is it, the 15th?
Literally. Look how ridiculous that is.
A little unnecessary.
That's so ridiculous. Just to try to add a little bit of engine noise. Definitely gonna be much better now that that's out of there.
I guess it's... What are you doing? What are you doing? Looking up some help.
Alright guys, we got the Stage 1 Plus 91 loading up on here. Now, we're only going to be running it for a little bit until the car gets pro-tuned, but we're only putting 93 in the car, but we're only going to run the 91, so it's not as aggressive and not going to run as lean, but we're not even going to be doing pulls in it or anything, so it really doesn't matter.
Just got her started up.
Alright, let's let her warm up and take it for a spin.
There it is!
Hey.